Got him. He went for the chartreuse. Let's get you undone there, buddy. Little guy. Okay guys, what we're doing is crappie fishing. You know where we're at, same place as my last video I posted was at. But getting into a bind here. Let's drop our jigs down just a little bit, using some hair jigs, a couple little feather jigs like. Okay, so what we're doing is paying attention to the weather, and I've fished here 3 times last week and caught 1 fish 2 different times. I caught a fish, and then the one time I think I caught 3 or 4 fish, but not enough to make a video out of, so I didn't post nothing. But I wanted to start paying attention to the barometer and the air pressure, and the air pressure was up last week. It was off and on rainy. The temperatures have been about the same all week long, in the mid 40s each day, off and on rain, but barometer was like 30.4 most of last week. It had went up to about 30.4. Today it dropped. We're at 29 point something right now, and you know, you can get that info off the Weather Channel. There's a barometer app I've got downloaded, and I wanted to just see, I wanted to get out here today and see how much of a difference it made. And just on my second catch, I've already caught a fish. It is a little bit windier than what I was hoping it would be, but that's all right. I've just got two hair jigs on there, 2 small hair jigs. I think they're Northland tackle. Don't pay attention to that cast. Okay, so we're gonna run about 3 feet deep here. That's about how deep I was when I caught that first fish. Got him. A little bit bigger fish. I'm gonna get a picture with him. All right, he's the second one that went for the white one. Or no, I'm sorry, the first one went for chartreuse, that's right. So that's one on the white. Okay, let's get him back. And they're liking about the 3 foot mark there. What I'm doing is I'm letting that bobber sit with them 2 jigs under it for a few 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'm bringing it in a few feet and repeating it. Just dragging it in and repeating. If you ain't getting bit on that bobber, you're probably not going to get bit, because you can leave it sit there all day. You got to kind of move it around and get it in front of them. Okay, changing it up just a little bit here. Over here, 2 different spots, I've seen some surface activity from the water, almost like the fish were coming up to the surface. Now it ain't that warm. The water temperature ain't that warm, but I don't know what's going on. Yep, there's a bunch of fish right over there. That is odd. What are these guys doing? It looks like bluegill. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my... I've never seen that before this time of the year. Guys, it's like December 12th, I think. December 12th or 11th, I'm not sure. But I just don't understand why those fish are that close to the surface. I'm going to try to get my setup kind of close to them here. That's weird, man. Now they're over here some. There's a whole school of them. It's all bluegill right there. Man, I should have brought top water. Here I am getting bit. Got him. I got 2 crappie. We doubled up. Awesome. Wow, that's cool. All right, not bad. This one's not a bad crappie right here. Let's get him in. Let's get this guy in. That was fun. So, I don't know what has got these fish so close to the surface. I can guarantee you that water temperature is somewhere around 35 to 40 degrees. More than likely, probably right around 37 degrees. I do know when I just caught those 2, I did scare them off, but let's see if we can get some more to bite. Well, like I said, I just caught, maybe them are crappie out there, but I could have swore they were bluegill. They look like bluegill from here, but I'm not sure. But I'm going to try to reel up here close to them. Let's see if we can double up again. Huh. That was very weird. They don't seem like they're interested in it now. Just went right through them. But they're all very concentrated. And these are crappie. They're definitely crappie now that they're right in front of me real close here. And they're hitting top water. What they're eating though, I don't know. So like earlier I said they wasn't moving. Just keep moving your bobber. Let it sit for a little bit and let it move. Because the fish probably ain't moving. And that was far from the truth. Because they're all over the place. Moving. And I don't know where they're at now though. Alright guys, we got to wrap this up. I do have somewhere I need to be today. So we fished for about 45 minutes, caught a few fish. I think about 4, right? We doubled up on the 1. But here's what I used, these Northland tackle jigs. 2 of them, white and chartreuse and a slip bobber. But I don't know, the fishing wasn't as great as I thought it was going to be, with the barometer showing me readings of the air pressure dropping. But the fish were doing different things that I've never seen before this time of the year. And I do believe that I just wasn't fishing with the right gear. This wasn't what they wanted. Well, a few of them wanted it, obviously I caught some. But it was still a lot of fun regardless, and still learning stuff every day. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. We will catch you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next lake.